30 minutes. Touch. We have our white rice. That's my rice. And over here we have our mushrooms, veggies. So guys, I hope you like this recipe. If you do, go ahead and hit the comment section in below. Leave your comments, like, subscribe, and share. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you do like this recipe. I'm telling you, we're ready help you if you're on a weight loss, program or whatever. This will be a perfect dish for you. Okay, till next time, I will see you in the next video. Hope you have a blessed day and thank you for watching. Bye bye.